Look who I got here. Trent Sisemore of who? Of Jack Sisemore's son. Awesome at the awesome RV Museum. He's actually going to give us a personal tour of a couple of his favorites in there, Trent.
Yes.
Thank you for having us. Thank you for having us, man. It's going to be great, dude.
Well, I'm excited.
Let's do it.
Hey guys, it's Kari from the Art of RVing. Mark's behind the camera right now. We have got Trent Sisemore.
Yeah, Trent.
Yes. Hey, how are you?
Cool, man.
We are at Jack Sisemore's RV Museum in Amarillo, Texas. If you are a new watcher, please hit that subscribe button. And if you are returning, thanks so much. We appreciate you guys. Come along. He's going to show us a few of his favorites.
Hey folks, I'm Trent Sisemore, Jack Sisemore's Travel and thank you for coming out to the RV Museum today. It's great to be with Kari. So they asked me to show you a couple that we really enjoy, things that people come from a long ways away to see. So probably the first one's the Robin Williams bus from the movie RV. This is a 1948 Flxible bus that they used in the movie RV. With Robin Williams was the star, and of course a lot of his fans still come very often to see this bus. So this bus is actually a movie set, so the cabinet doors don't work, the refrigerator doesn't work. It's all just built for the movie, but there were a lot of good times, and there's a lot of RV fans, fans of the movie. In fact, this bus was used originally as a band bus for a group in North Carolina, and so a lot of those students that went through all the years that traveled in this bus, they've come to see it since then at the museum. I originally thought about using it and fixing it up and using it for my own RV to go travel, but so many people love this movie and come just for this bus that I think it'd be a travesty to take it away from the museum and use it for my own personal joy.
Trent, and that's what's awesome is people like you letting us see this that we would never see.
Well, it's our joy. You know,
thank you.
All we like is being able to give to other people. That's why the museum's free.
Yes.
We don't charge, never have. I want anybody that wants to come to be able to see it, and that's just, if you put stuff like this in a barn and just look at it yourself, you're not bringing much joy to the world. But we've got people, 100, 150 people a day come from all over the world to be a part of this memorabilia.
Dude, you're awesome, brother. Okay, they have a map here. Go ahead and put a pin in, Kari, where we go. Longview, Texas.
Try to find some room.
And check it out how many more people from all over the United States have visited Jack Sisemore Museum. Not only the United States, but look at this worldwide. A lot of people have come here. Thank you, Trent Sisemore. Here's a replica of Jack Sisemore's filling station he opened in 1934 with $2,400. So here it is, guys. You know, we all dreamed about this bike. Little wheel in the front, big wheel in the back, front and back brakes, 5-speed, shifter in the center, which wasn't good when you fell forward on this one. And usually it had a sissy bar on it, Stingray back shocks. This is the one!
in the glory days.